Okay, guys, the same fourth chapter, that means quadratic equation, 4.2 exercise. Second Roman already we have done. While giving introduction, I have solved that. Now we are going directly third Roman. Okay, third Roman, find two numbers whose sum is 27. So they are telling we have to find two numbers, it seems, whose sum is 7. The two number can be anything. So you assume let x comma y be the any, what it is, any two numbers, because they didn't say any integer, what is that, nothing they mentioned, positive, odd, even, nothing they mentioned. So it can be any number. Sum of two number is 27. So x plus y is 27 is first condition. Okay, now and product is 182. What it is? Product is 182. So second condition, sum is 27 and product in the sense x into y equal to 182. You understand? So find the two numbers. We want to find x and y. So from here you find either x or y, that you substitute in 2. Okay, it's very easy. Let me find y. So 27 minus x. X when you send opposite, 27 minus x. So 1 is, this is now. 1 is what? Y equal to 27 minus x is 1. Okay. So here I am going to substitute x into y. What is y I know? 27 minus x equal to 182. Do you understand? Right. Now take this and multiply inside. What I am getting? X into 27, 27x. X into minus x again, minus x square. When you bring it to what is 182 opposite? Minus 182 equal to 0. Have you noticed all those? But x square should be in positive, we have in negative. Okay. So multiply minus 1 on both sides, or you send everything to right hand side. That is our wish. I am going to multiply minus 1 on both sides. So I am getting plus x square. This will be positive here. After multiply, minus 27x. 182 already it is in negative. After multiply plus 182, which is equal to 0. So when I have 182, you can use a prime factor. That's what I said in the last video. What is that? When we are getting something big, better we can go prime factorization, I said. So 182, I'm going a prime factor. 2 I'm taking, 9 2s are 18, 1. So what I'm going 7, 1 7s are 7, remaining 2 3 times. So 14 and 13. 14 and 13. When we add 14 and 13, what I'm getting? When I add 14 and 13, what I'm getting? 27 we are getting, no? That's it. We can go the I factor as product value is 182. Add value is minus 27. As per this, I'm taking the table 14 and 13. Here negative is there in the sense I want to give the negative to bigger number, but bigger number alone if I give, when I separate I'm getting minus 1. No, I want to minus 27. So I should give for both. I should give bar both. Then only it is possible to add minus 14, minus 13, minus 27. When we product minus into minus plus, and I'm getting 182 when I product. Isn't it? Now coefficient of x square value is what? Nothing is there, means 1. So by 1 there is no change in it. X minus 14 equal to 0. X minus 13 equal to 0. I'm not factorizing it. I'm making directly equal to 0. Okay. Here they asked to find only. And x value is what? Plus 14 here. And x value is here what? 13. So I'm getting 2 x value. Make it 2 case. This is case 1 and case 2. Case 1 is x value is 14 and case 2 is x value 13. When I am getting x value 14, what is y value? One implies y equal to 27 minus x. X value is what? 14. Substitute. So what I am getting? 13. So when x is a 14 and I am getting y is 13. This is one answer. Understand? Right. Now again one implies y equal to 27 minus 13. When I subtract each, I am getting 14. I am getting what, my dear? 14. Okay. So when I give x value as a 13, I'm getting y value as 14. What I'm getting? 14. Okay. So this is one more answer. Like that, two cases you should give when it's possible. Is it possible? So I'm giving. When we add both, I'm getting 27. When we product both, I'm getting 182. So the both case is correct. Sometime you will be getting two answers. You should give two answers. Understand? All right. Is it okay? The third one? Right. We are going the fourth one now. Fourth one, two consecutive positive. So they are talking about consecutive. So what consecutive? Just positive integer. Just integer. They didn't talk about even number, odd number. Then what I want to take? X plus 1. Super. We have seen already such questions. So x comma x plus 1 be the what? Be the two consecutive two consecutive positive integers. So positive integers, right? Fine. And what they are telling, sum of whose square is 365. We have to sum as well as we should square it. Okay, that means whose square in the sense first you square, then you add. After adding, don't use square. Understand? That is different. It means this is different. They are telling whose square we have to add. Whose square in the sense square we have to add. Whose square is they are telling very clearly whose square then sum. So first square then sum. Do you understand the concept? What I'm telling? Right. Now I'm going. What is that? According to the question, ATQ. That means according to the question, the condition is what? X square plus x plus 1 square. Whole square. 365 equal to 365. Sum of whose square is 365. This is the condition. They will be asking in 1 mark or 2 mark. Okay, such question you can face in a 1 mark or 2 mark. Instead of positive integer, they may give positive even integer or odd integer they can give. So you should ready for that type of question also. Understand? Right. Now here a plus b whole square formula. This as it is just you write here a plus b whole square. Yeah, a square plus b square plus 2ab in the sense 2 into x into 1 equal to 365. You understand? After adding this, after adding the first one, what I'm getting? A square plus b square plus 2ab. That is I'm going. Now x square plus x square, 2x square I'm getting. 1 square 1 and 2x into 1 just 2x. 365 when you bring opposite minus 365 equal to 0. Now 2 times of x square plus 2x from minus 365 when you remove this 1, what I am getting? Minus minus 364 right, minus 364 equal to 0. Divide 2 on both sides, what I am getting? X square plus 1x minus 182 equal to 0. I have seen this number somewhere. Last sum, last sum 182, 13 and 14. Then no need to take I factor. Same 13, 14. Let's take 182, but minus 182. Add values 1. Then 13 and 14 when you take here, whatever I have, that I should give for bigger number. The sum value, what is the sign? That I should give for bigger number. Am I right? Then after that, what I am getting here, I should give minus. Then only I am getting 1. So minus 13 plus 14, I will be getting plus 1. When I multiply, I will be getting minus 182. Am I right? Coefficient of x square value is what, ba? 1. So we can divide by 1, no change in it. I'm going now. What is that variable? X minus 13 equal to 0. Variable x plus 14 equal to 0. And x equal to 13 and x equal to minus 14. What is x? Positive integer. Then this is what? This is what? Then what I have to do? Reject. What I have to do? This is rejected because we assumed x and x plus 1 as positive integer. We are getting one negative integer. Negative I am rejected. I don't want a negative. I need only positive. Is it okay? So take x value. Then x equal to 13. X equal to 13. What about x plus 1? 13 plus 1 equal to 14. Therefore, 13 comma 14 are a required number, or else are two consecutive positive integer. That you write. Okay, that you write. What it is? I will write. What it is? are two consecutive positive integer. Okay, is it okay? Fourth one is okay, no? Right. Can I go fifth? Right. So fifth one we are going. The altitude. What is meaning of altitude? Height of triangle. Okay, height of a triangle. So altitude in the sense it's height of triangle. So there is a right angle triangle. There is a right angle triangle here. They said there is a right angle triangle. Right, fine. The altitude of right angle triangle is 7 less than its base. Find the other two sides. Okay, they are talking about base and altitude. Then base and altitude we have to assume something. Okay, altitude let me assume as y, base let me assume as x. Is it okay? Then here you write let. Sorry. So altitude of triangle which is equal to, I'm taking as a y centimeter, right? And base of triangle I'm taking as x centimeter. The first condition says what? First condition says altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Altitude is what? Y. Altitude is what? Y. Altitude of right angle triangle is so equal 7 centimeter less than its base. Compared to base, 7 centimeter less it seems. Is it okay? Altitude is 7 centimeter less than its base. Compared to base, 7 centimeters less. Which is less? Okay. Suppose this is 10, then what is altitude? 3. Like that they are telling. Do you understand the concept? Okay, the altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. This is first condition. Okay, let it be. If hypotenuse in the sense when there is a 90 degree opposite side is called hypotenuse. Am I right? Then what about hypotenuse here when I have x and y as other two sides? Oh, they are given hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? 13. Okay, hypotenuse what? 13 they are given. It's a given. Hypotenuse what? Given. Then let me assume hypotenuse. Sorry, no need to assume. Hypotenuse let me write. Then can I give a name for triangle better? A, B, C. Then I can say y is what? BC. What about this one? Base, AB. Then what about hypotenuse? Hypotenuse AC. Okay, which is equal to 13 centimeter. Can I go now Pythagoras theorem? Because right angle triangle is given. When there is one more equation we should bring by using Pythagoras only. There is no other go. So I'm going for Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, what it is? ABC, where angle B is equal to 90 degree we have, then Pythagoras theorem says what, my dear? Square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of square of other two sides. Am I right? That I am going now. That I am going to use here. So here you should mention by Pythagoras. So by Pythagoras theorem you should mention it. Then we can apply all those value whatever we have, that you can substitute. AC what I know? AC here 13 square which is equal to AB. Here it is what, my dear? X square plus BC y square. Do you understand? Y value I have where? Here in 1. In 1 y value is there, no? That you substitute here, that's it. Okay, 13 square what I know? 169 which is equal to x square and y in the sense x minus 7. Very good. X minus 7 whole square. Use a minus b whole square formula. Then 169 which is equal to x square. This is a minus b whole square, no? So a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into x into 7. Do you understand? Now apply x square plus x square. 2 times of x square. 7 square 49. 2 7s are 14 into x. That is 14x. I'm getting 169. X square value should be in positive. Already it is in positive. Then let it be on the same side. 169 you take to right hand side. Then when you take to right hand side, left hand side is what? 0. 2 times of x square minus 14x plus 49 we have. 169 when you said opposite minus 169 I said. I have to subtract what I am getting. Minus 120. Oh, that is common too. Then divided by 2 on both sides. Yeah, what I'm getting then? X square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Then I factorization. We have to go minus 60 minus 7. Okay, so what is that? 12? 12 and 5. Very good. So when I go, this is 30 again. 15. 3 when I take, this will be 5. That's it. 5 when I take, it will be 1. So what do you say? 12 and 5. Okay. Yeah, this is 12. 12 plus 5, 7. Yeah, it's coming. Oh, we have to subtract. We have to subtract. 12 and 5, we have to subtract. So highest, whatever we have assigned that I should give for highest number. So when I give there, I'm getting multiplication is 12. Multiplication is minus 60. When I subtract, I'm getting minus 7. Am I right? Coefficient of x square value is 1. Nothing is there. We have to consider as a 1. So by 1, what I'm getting? X minus 12 equal to 0. X plus 5, which is equal to 0. Then x equal to what I am getting? Plus 12. X equal to what I am getting? Minus 5. X is what? One of the side. It never come in a negative. It is like one length term, right? So it never come in negative. So it is what then? Rejected. What it is then? Rejected. Which is accepted? X equal to 12 centimeter is accepted. X is 12. What about y? Take 1. Take 1. 1 implies y equal to what it means? X minus 7. That means 12 minus 7 equal to 5 centimeter. In word, you should complete. Therefore, the altitude are, not altitude. Other two sides are. Therefore, other two sides are. That you write here. Therefore, other two sides are what it is? 5 comma 12 or 12 comma 5. In centimeter, you write ma. Do you understand? Is it okay? Whether you have a time to do? 20 minutes there. 15 minutes. Only one more question. Okay. Right, fine. Right, fine. I'll give. Okay, copy this. 6th I will do later. Okay. There is one more class. We'll do later.